In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery of your Apple AirTag. First, let's take a look at my iPhone. Under Find Items, it shows that this particular AirTag is saying it has low battery. I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this AirTag. Let's get started. You'll need a new CR2032 button battery. To purchase this battery, click the link in the description below. Now with the AirTag in one hand, use your other hand and with 2 fingers gently push down on the silver cover of the AirTag and turn it counterclockwise. You will notice the silver cover turning, then gently remove the cover to reveal the battery. Carefully remove the old battery and replace it with the new one, making sure to align the positive and negative ends. The positive end with the cross symbol should be facing upwards. Simply take out the old battery and place the new battery inside with the positive cross symbol on top as shown. The AirTag sound make an audible beeping sound. Replace the battery cover. Make sure to align the 3 prongs into the correct space. Once it's in, repeat the same process. Use 2 fingers push down and now turn the silver cover clockwise until it locks in place and release. Again, you will hear another audible sound. Give the AirTag a test to make sure everything is working properly. And there you have it. A simple and easy way to change the battery of your Apple AirTag. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.